This is the picnic area at Govett Leap Lookout. We often have a break here, morning tea, lunch, in these shelter sheds over there, and the toilets behind that are a bit of a rarity when it comes to Blue Mountains picnic areas. The track, or should I say the tracks that lead down from here go down to the valley or down to Pope's Glen Creek or across to Pulpit Rock. They have been closed off and on for some time, months. But today the track down to Pope's Glen Creek is open. I don't have much time, so we'll only be looking at it for a short time. Over here is the second of the two Govett Leap Lookouts, the lower one. The waterfall looks as good as ever. Over this way there is a very recent landslide. We'll go down this way because this is the route to Pope's Glen. You can see where National Parks and Wildlife is reconstructing the track that leads around to Pulpit Rock Lookout, which is immediately above Pulpit Rock. This is where the track was blocked for reconstruction work. We're going to go down to the lookout below us and just see how the repairs have gone. The railing here is incomplete, but it's usable. This little bit around the corner here was always one of the awkward spots. You can see where they've been working, new steps. Over here you can see Horseshoe Falls, and it's a valley, if you like. This lookout was in good repair before, and it of course still is. Around in this direction you can see Govett Leap. Up here is George Phillips Lookout on the Fairfax Walk. The track goes down there to Pope's Glen. More work needed on that yet. And this lookout has been in good condition for a long time. This is as far as I have time to go today, but it's been a pleasant walk, maybe 15 minutes.